Hello students. So today we are going to discuss about the process of spermatogenesis. So what is meant by spermatogenesis? So what are the steps involved in spermatogenesis? And in spermatogenesis, what are the stages are formed? And what are the chromosome numbers of different types of stages? And what are the cell division? These are all going to discuss in this today's session. So let us start. So spermatogonia, the cells spermatogonia, inside the testis. Inside the testis, the cells spermatogonia undergoes the division of mitosis. Students, you know that mitosis, division or mitotic division, there is no chromosomal number reduction and the cell number only increases. So spermatogonia undergoes mitosis and there is different types of spermatogonias are formed. So number of spermatogonias are increased after the completion of mitosis. So this will be initiated at the stage of, this is most important, in the stage of puberty, at puberty. So you know that the age of puberty 11 to 14 years or 12 to 14 years, the males. In the females it is a little bit early, right? So spermatogonia undergoes mitosis and number of spermatogonias are formed. So where the spermatogonias are presented? Inside the testis, we discussed. Inside the testis, where? Inside the seminiferous tubules. You know, earlier session we discussed regarding about the structure of seminiferous tubules, right? So here you should listen carefully. Some of the spermatogonias only formed as primary spermatocytes. Some of the spermatogonia, that was clearly mentioned in NCERT textbook. So some of the spermatogonia only formed as primary spermatocytes. So what is the chromosome number of spermatogonia? Already we discussed. 2n diploid, primary spermatocyte also 2n diploid, the chromosome numbers are 46 because it formed by mitotic division, right students? So each primary spermatocyte undergoes first meiotic division. Each primary spermatocyte undergoes first meiotic division and forms and gives rise to secondary spermatocytes. So this is one secondary spermatocyte, this is another secondary spermatocyte. So each primary spermatocyte undergoes first meiotic division and gives rise to two secondary spermatocytes. Right students? So what is the chromosome number of secondary spermatocytes? Yes, 23. The ploidy condition is haploid condition because the primary spermatocyte undergoes which division? Meiosis, the first meiosis division. You know the cell division, already we discussed regarding about cell division. In the meiotic division, the number of chromosomes has been reduced. Right students? Right. So one primary spermatocyte gives rise to two secondary spermatocytes. Okay. So each secondary spermatocyte undergoes the division of second meiotic division. So this is, for the name's sake, it is second meiotic division only, but it is equal to mitosis. Because already in first meiotic division the chromosomal number has been reduced. You can observe here. But again chromosomal number has been reduced in second meiotic division also, it will go to abnormal chromosome number. So that it is, the name is second meiotic division, but it is considered as mitosis only. Okay. So each secondary spermatocyte undergoes second meiotic division and gives rise to two spermatids. Once again I am repeating, each secondary spermatocyte undergoes second meiotic division and gives rise to 2 spermatids. Now tell me students, from 2 secondary spermatocytes, how many number of spermatids are formed? Exactly 4 number. Second, third and fourth. Is it clear? Hope you understood, right? So, one primary spermatocyte gives rise to 2 secondary spermatocytes and 4 number of spermatids. Right, students? So, what is the chromosome number of spermatids? The chromosome number in spermatids is, yes, 23. That is haploid. So, let us discuss the last step of spermatogenesis process. So, each spermatid, by the process of spermiogenesis, each spermatid, by the process of spermiogenesis, gives rise single sperm. From each spermatid, by the process of spermiogenesis, it gives rise to single sperm. Also called there is spermatozoa. Yes. So let us consider, from one spermatid there is formation of 4 one spermatid there is formation of 1 spermatozoa. From 4 spermatids, how many spermatozoa are formed? Exactly, yes. From 4 spermatids, there is 4 number of spermatozoa are formed. That is, once again I am repeating students, 1 primary spermatocyte gives rise to 2 secondary spermatocytes and 4 spermatids and 4 spermatozoa. You can observe the previous NEET questions. For formation of, yes students, for formation of 100 number of spermatozoa or sperms, for formation of 100 number of spermatozoa, how many primary spermatocytes are required and how many secondary spermatocytes are required? Yes students, anybody? Answer? Yes, very good. For formation of 100 sperms, how many primary spermatocytes are required? Yes, 25 primary spermatocytes are required. And how many secondary spermatocytes are required? Yes, you can tell Anishli. Yes, exactly. That is 50 secondary spermatocytes. Is it clear? So based on this, in NEET questions, in NEET question paper, they may ask, for formation of 200 sperms, how many primary spermatocytes are required? And for formation of 200 ovum, how many primary oocytes are required? That we will discuss in the process of oogenesis. They will mix and give in the NEET examinations. So students will be thorough in the concepts. Any type of the questions they are going to ask, you are definitely able to get up the answers. But the most important thing, as a NEET aspirant, in the biology point of view, before answering the question, before answering the answer, you should read the question properly. 1 or 2 times you should read the question properly. That is my most humble request, because of the most of the students are going to skip the questions, skip the reading of questions. They will read the questions very fast. Right students? Before answering, remember, before answering, you need to read the question properly. Then you will get the right answer. Yes students, thank you so much. Bye bye.